Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's video, we are going to explain how to run the Docker images using Podman. In previous video, I have explained how to pull the Docker images using Podman. So, if you didn't watch my previous video, you watch my previous Podman playlist section so that you will understand how to set up the Podman and pull the Docker images as well. In this video, we are going to only explain how to run the Docker images using Podman. So let's go to command prompt. So in the keyboard, I am typing window R button, and in here we are typing CMD and entering it. Now, in here, you can check the Podman version by using Podman version command. This command basically shows the Podman versions, which version you have installed in your system. And let's also check the machine status. So, Podman machine ls command is used for seeing all the created machine using Podman. So, entering it, you will see one machine is appeared, which name is Podman machine default, and VM type is a WSL, and it is created 3 days ago. Current status of this machine is running. So let's check the images by using Podman images command. So you will see one images already available in my Podman local systems. These images I have pulled from previous video. You can watch my previous video. In this video, we are going to run these images, which is available in my local system. So I am just going to Chrome browser. I am going to Chrome browser. In here, searching the Docker Hub registry. In the Docker Hub registry, I am just clicking first one, hub.docker.com. In here, typing nginx. nginx. Now, going to first images and going to down for running these images. You can see here tag version of this nginx image version. So for running these images, I am just going to down, scrolling down. In here, providing the lots of information for running the images, creating the images as well. So you can see exposing external code. So I am copying this command and pasting in the notepad. In here you can see docker run --name. This is the container name which you will provide. By using that name, Podman will create the container name. -d means it is running in the background, and -p means exposing the port from outer environment. Like this is the 80. 80 means it is the container port. This images running port. Like if providing any images. So right now I am just copying these above images, which is pulled from previous video. So I'm just copying this one, and this images internal port. This images is using 80 port for running it. And if you see in here 8080, it is exposing 80 port, 80 internal port to outer internal port 8080. And here the container name. So I'm just going to do nginx and removing the docker, adding the Podman, because we haven't installed the docker. We are explaining to run the docker images using Podman. So remove the Podman and remove the docker and add the Podman. So I'm just copying this command and pasting in the CMD for run these images. So just wait, let's see what will happen. So right now it is giving some container ID, you can see here. So for checking the container, running container images, running images container, you need to use docker, you need to use podman ps command. Now you will see it is created 30 23 seconds ago, and the port is 8080. So I'm just going to Chrome browser. In here, typing, opening to other. In here, typing http localhost 8080. Now you will see. Okay, my mistake, because it will not running because 8080 port it is already running Jenkins. So that's why. So for checking purpose, I am just checking the logs by using Podman logs -f and Nginx. Let's see what will happen. So start a worker, it is showing start a worker, and why? Okay, just removing the -f command and checking the logs again. Get limit. So currently it is not running configured. Internally it is running, but outerward it is not running. So I'm just going to stop the container. So ps, so for stopping the container you need to use podman stop container name or container id. So it is stopped. You can also check. Right now there is no container, you will see. So I'm just going to check stop the container as well. So you need to remove this container, stop the container as well. So I'm just going to use podman rm and container name. So this is the container. Now you can see there is no running there is no stop container as well and running container as well. Now I'm going to run these images as well. Again I'm changing the port. So in the port I'm just going to use 8082 or 8282. I'm running it. Let's see. Podman logs and ng next. It is showing like that, and also let's check the running container. So it is running. I'm going to Chrome browser. In here, typing 8282, entering it. Now you can see it is running. Welcome to Nginx. So if that port is already used, then it will not exposed internal running container. So I am going to stop container as well by using podman stop and container name or container ID. So it is stopped, and I am also going to Chrome browser and refreshing it. It will not redirected because that container is not running. So in this video, this is the history. So that's why it is showing. Currently it is not running. So in this video, I have explained how to run the images using Podman command. Podman. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update. Thank you.